You may occasionally hear us reference Charleston's weather observation station during our broadcast, especially during record-setting events. I spoke with the climatologist in charge of that station to learn about its history and why it's useful. It doesn't look like much, but tucked away on Eastern Illinois University's campus is one of the National Weather Service's weather observation stations. EIU instructor and climatologist Cameron Craig oversees this station on the university's campus.
This station was originally installed here in Charleston in 1880. And then several observers after that, Dallas Price, who was the chairperson of the Department of Geology-Geography, had it at his house and observed for over 40 years.
Craig says this is just one of numerous stations across central Illinois, many of which are run by volunteers and weather enthusiasts. He says he couldn't pass up the opportunity when the NWS was looking for a new host in Charleston.
In 2008, we were asked if we wanted to have it, and so I said, yes, this would be an opportunity great for the students.
The site comes equipped with instruments to measure the day's high and low temperature, rain and snowfall, and frost depth. Craig says 2 to 3 students rotate shifts throughout the year to gather the information.
National Weather Service collects the data, and then they use it to determine what is considered normal. So after a 10-year period of collecting data, then they'll reanalyze the normal information, and then they'll put out a 30-year average.
Central Illinois weather isn't always the prettiest, but observations have to be taken even in the worst of weather, including thunderstorms and heavy snow.
I trekked 3-mile round trip to this station in 12 inches of snow, fell into a drift in a ditch, and that was a lot of fun.
Craig says daily observations during inclement weather are just as important because the National Weather Service will include them in their local storm reports.
We have to do it every single day. Weather does not stop. The Postal Service doesn't stop, so we don't stop either.
Craig says students in EIU's broadcast meteorology program aren't the only ones who gather the daily data. He says interested high school students have also helped gather information, especially during holidays when the campus is closed.